Editing and converting fields. I can edit a field by double-clicking on it, and it brings me right into the text object. And then I can highlight it, right-click, and say Edit Field. And then I can come in here and say, well, you know, I really wanted it lowercase. I can say OK, and it changes it, and I edited the field. So essentially, I can just come in at any given time, double click, and then right click and say Edit Field. And that'll bring me right up to that particular field. Now, these fields are not text, they are fields. So I can't edit them with a text editor, you know, they can't be just plain text. If you want them to go to text, we can convert the fields to text. To do that, you right click on it and you say convert field to text. When I do that, it's one way. I can't get the intelligent information back. So I convert the field to text, boom, it's now text. It doesn't have the gray box around it. It's a single text. It will not update anymore. You'll have to manually change this. This is regular style text that conforms to your text style, whatever you're using. And so therefore, you'll lose all functionality of that field data. So I don't recommend it all the time, but it's something you might use infrequently. Now, fields are can also be used with attributes and sheet sets, etc., which we'll learn later on. So these are very handy. I always recommend that you do not convert the field to text unless you have a particular need for that. So I can close the text editor. Remember, anytime I just want to update it, double click on it. That brings me into the text editor, into the ribbon bar, and then I can just pick on the field. I can right click and say edit the field, and I can do whatever I want with that at that point. And I can also right click if I want to convert the field to a text.